Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming system prerequisites. Mac OS is up to date, and you have admin access so installations proceed. Open Applications or press Command Space and type QuickTime to launch quickly. Once done, make sure you've granted microphone and camera permissions in System Settings if you plan to record. You're doing this now to avoid permission prompts mid-recording and to ensure optimal performance. This prevents dropped frames and saves time when you begin capturing or exporting. Now, configure recording specifics so outputs match your goal. Select File, then New Screen Recording for tutorials or Movie Recording for webcam. Use the drop-down to pick your microphone and set quality. Higher quality equals larger files, so balance storage versus fidelity. If recording screen, choose full screen or drag to select an area. Enable mouse clicks if desired. Make sure to test audio levels briefly. This verifies input, isn't clipping, and confirms your recording will be clear, but finish by saving or exporting correctly. Use File Save to keep the MOV or export to choose resolution and H.264 for smaller files. Once exported, trim excess by dragging edges or split long takes to simplify editing. Make sure to name files clearly and store them in a designated folder to speed retrieval. If something goes wrong, no audio or black video, first check Mac OS privacy permissions and input selection. Then restart QuickTime and test with a short clip before re-recording to avoid lost time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.